Hi everybody, right, this is another part of Lee Baker's engine and gearbox build. Right, obviously this is the gearbox main shaft. Lee took this apart, and when he did take it apart, he knocked the shaft out too far. What happens then is that these Syncro hubs basically explode, and there's balls and springs flying all over the place. So I've got to basically put them back together. So you've got your first and second gear Syncro hub there. Obviously there's no balls and springs in, so that will just fall out. So what you need to do, you get new balls and springs, and the springs go in first into each of these holes. There's 3 of them. Okay, so get the springs out. So one in there, one in there, and one in there. Now when you put these together, these cutouts here must line up with that cutout there. Okay, so next thing, handy dandy little tool which I got from Guessworks. You put the inner part of the hub inside there, and there is a way that you need to put these together. That surface there faces outwards, and on the inner part of the hub there's a raised part here, and the back of it is dead flat. So basically that faces outwards, and the bit that sticks out on the centre, it goes on that way. So you get your new ball bearings, very tiny. There's one there. Now there's 3 slots in the tool. What you do, you turn that around so where the springs have gone in lines up with that gap, the little gap there. Put the ball in. The one there. And the last one, and get one out. So fiddly with these gloves on. The last one goes in there like that. Then what you do, you twist this round. So basically it forces the balls inside the inner part of the hub. Now remember to line these up with the gaps in the centre of the hub. So that will go on like that. It's all lined up. Turn it upside down. There you go, rebuilt hub. Now just repeat the process on the 3rd and 4th Syncro hub. I won't show you that because it's exactly the same as doing that one. So yeah, there you go, that's how to rebuild a Syncro hub.